Okay, so this is problem 3.1.33, and they are asking us, they're giving us an equation here, and they're asking us, first of all, to figure out if the couple of ordered pairs that they've given us here are solutions, and then they're asking us to graph it. Okay, so when we go to identify if something is a solution to an equation, what we want to do is plug in these values and see if we get a true statement. So ordered pairs are always listed x coordinate first, y coordinate second. And so when I go to plug this in, I'm going to plug in -1 for the y. So this -1 is going in right there. And then I'm going to plug in 2 for the x. So what I want to know is this a true statement? So if we simplify this right-hand side here, then we get -1 equals -1. And that's a true statement. So the fact that that's a true statement tells us that yes, 2, -1 is a solution to y equals x minus 3. Okay. The next thing they're asking is 1, -2 a solution. So again, we need to plug that in. So if I plug in 1 for the x, -2 for the y, then if we simplify the right-hand side, 1 minus 3 is -2. So -2 equals -2 is also a true statement, which means this is also an ordered pair solution to y equals x minus 3. Okay, and then they want us to just go ahead and graph this and determine if, I guess, determine another solution. So they're asking us is, actually they also ask if -1, -4 is a solution. So let's first of all just graph it. So we're looking at this line right here, y equals x minus 3, and we've already determined that both 2, -1 and 1, -2 are points on the line. Okay, so if we graph those points, then we can actually connect the dots and draw our line out. Okay, so 2, -1, so over 2 for the x, down 1 for the y's, and then 1, -2 puts us right here. Okay, so if I draw that line, it's looking something like this, and they're asking us the question if -1, -4 is a solution also. And you know, you could read that off of the graph, but because I'm not on a grid here, it's actually not going to be as accurate. You can test this by again plugging this in. And so if I plug it in, -4 equals -1 minus 3. So -4 equals -4, and that's a true statement also. So -1, -4 would also be on the graph. Okay, and mine's a little bit off because just of the fact that my grid isn't spaced properly. Okay, so that's it for that problem.